Hi, and welcome to another awesome tutorial, and today we'll be learning how to add sticky add to cart bar option to improve conversion rates. Awesome, so without wasting further time, let's jump in. Okay, so the first thing you'd want to do is, you want to make sure you're on the Automizely Page Builder admin panel, and once you're here on this page, go ahead and click on Conversion Tools to access the sticky add to cart bar option. Perfect. And once you come up here, simply click on the sticky add to cart bar option and awesome. So once you click on the option, you'll come up here to the editor page. Cool. So first, let's enable the status. Excellent. Next, we want to choose which display device we'd like the sticky add to cart bar option. And you've got mobile, desktop and mobile. I'll go ahead and choose desktop for this tutorial. And then for the aspect ratio, I'll keep that to 3 and 4. Moving on, we've got the action buttons. So you can mess up with these and put whatever you want. I'll just add an extra word. So I'll say add to cart now. And as you can see, the Add to Cart Now button changes in real time on the bottom right hand corner. Next, choose what happens when customers click on the Add to Cart button. Do they stay on the same page and the product goes into their cart, or you'd want them to immediately go to the cart page when they click on the button. So that's up to you. I'll go ahead and choose the first one to stay on the same page. Next, make sure you enable the Shopify Dynamic Checkout button. This just makes it faster and easier for your customers to quickly buy the products they're looking at. They can also skip the cart and complete their payment with the checkout method displayed on the button. Moving on, we've got the colors, the fun stuff. So go ahead and mess up the colors and see which colors look the best for your brand. Let's go ahead and choose the sale price color to green. Compare at price to red. And let's go ahead and choose the background color to, let's go with the yellow. Awesome. And once you're done with these settings, simply click on save. And that'll just make sure the sticky add to cart bar appears on your product pages. Cool. So now that we've enabled the sticky add to cart bar option and fixed up all the settings and colors, it's now time to check out how sticky add to cart bar will look on our product pages. And there you go. Our sticky add to cart bar is now activated. And this is how it'll look. Awesome. And that's a wrap of the tutorial. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any problems or any issues, just let us know and we'll fix them up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, good luck, and I'll see you next time.